Well, I went to a new store this past couple days ago and found some new blind boxes. So cute. I can't wait to open them. I got some minis and I got some wacky pun uh foods. I had to open up one already because they were too cute, and anyone knows me knows I'm an artist, and I'm already looking into incorporating some of these into my art. So we'll see. Like, they're so cute. I got the little can of dog food and laundry detergent.
What are they called, though?
It's called, well,
No, each one, like the dog food. What was the name brand on it?
Caged Mad Dog Food, Disney Do Nuttin', which is, laundry detergent.
Yeah, doesn't do nothing.
They're all sarcastic. Or Jerky Fruits. Let's see.
Yeah, here.
Jerky Fruits. This is Doesn't Delight. Fight Cocktail. And I got another one stuck down here. And I got a sticker with that. Got a lot of stuff in this, and I'm actually kind of looking excited. And then I'm not going to open these, but it's got the one this one shows like what all they sell, and they have like tons of different minis for like a bunch of different stuff. This one is your checklist, so you can check off like what you've gotten and haven't gotten, or what you need to get for your collection.
I saw in the package of other ones they make mini arcade games cabinets.
We saw that one on the other paper when you were looking at it earlier. Was that one? And this was all in one of these, and that's pretty surprising. Let's see what's in this one. I got Trick cereal.
Yeah, that's funny. It looks like Trick cereal. Spelled Triks.
Well, and the fun thing with these is they all come in their own blind box, in a blind box. Which is kind of fun. Ooh. You never know what you're going to find in these, and I kind of like that. Let's see what we've got. Slip Slop. Mr. Bog bread. I got the bread! This one's an interesting shape. Sorry wrap. I got something. Sorry wrap.
Instead of saran wrap?
Yeah, sorry wrap. Sickened by the Sea.
Ah, okay.
Tuna. I'm assuming it's
Chicken of the Sea?
chicken or tuna or whatever.
Well, Chicken of the Sea is a brand of tuna.
I know, but if you had, never mind. You didn't watch that show.
Okay. I don't know which one you're talking about.
She thought Chicken of the Sea was chicken.
Okay. And what's that one?
Martian hats.
Martian hats?
Ain't that say Martian? Spicely's favorite. It's candy. It's Martian hats.
Ah.
Looks like Hasbro. So, like, these are like gummies.
Mm-hmm.
Alrighty, I'm going to put you in.
Now, pull the stickers out so people can see what the sticker looks like.
I'm not going to take it out of the paper. I don't want to mess it up. That was that one. Alright, which one? Let me do this one. And I'm going to do the ball last. Stay there. Don't roll away. Don't roll away. Okay. These I like because some of them are unwrapped, and that kind of like the reason why I bought them. But then I'm like, I have no idea what's going to be inside. But this is corned beef hash. I got baked bears instead of baked beans. Is that the same as Coke Bears?
I don't know. I think cocaine bears are a totally different thing.
Well, if it's baked bear, wouldn't that be still like a bad bear?
Well, technically, wouldn't cocaine bear be getting baked?
I don't know. I got like a whole like rabbit hole I fell into with that one.
And more than likely, you got to listen to your podcast for that, don't you?
Yeah.
So check out Tales from the Darkness podcast to get that story.
Yeah. Not safe for family or work, just to warn you. I got no to breathe.
Is it the same one?
Yeah. I got a twin. Don't know how that happened, but I got a twin. Irish ring leaves rings around your tub.
Irish Spring is Irish Ring.
Yeah, I got another detergent.
Which one's that
For
one?
big boozer and barbarians. Ale, the alcoholic detergent.
Nice.
Oh, that's going to be so much fun. The only one that's missing that I don't think is going to happen is liquor. Lava soap.
Nice.
Instead of lava, lava.
Lava.
Lava. Oops, there goes my ale. He fell over. Last but not least, this is the... Static is getting me. Okay, so the reason why I got this one was burnt leftovers. I thought that was hilarious. Burnt leftovers. Ooh, I may have to get some more of these guys. These are kind of fun. I got a jerky sticker. Jerky. Ooh. As I start throwing my stuff. Oops. This is not food. Cassie's standing on the landing.
I know.
Looking at me. Look at her lips.
I'm surprised she's not helping you.
6 herb. The gassy one.
Instead of 7-Up.
Mm-hmm. I mean, they did use, like, drink 7-Up and stuff like that for when you had tummy aches.
Yeah. Well, wasn't most sodas originally supposed to be medicinal?
Hipton tea. For the hippie tea. Gives you the energy to loaf, hitchhike, and avoid work.
Hey, I need some of that.
Hippie tea! Hippie tea! Funny part is he kind of looks like you. Oop, oop, oop. I got another duplicate of the donuts. I got 2 duplicates. And last but not least, I got another tea. That's interesting. I got 2 teas in the same one.
That's what happens when you get blind boxes and stuff.
I know. They're random and they're fun. That's the reason why I grabbed a couple of these. Okay. As I got static all over my hands. Next for the bowl.
Now, what is this one called? This one's actually from Zuru, the same
This
people
is-
that made your egg.
Yeah, the dinosaurs that I destroyed. They're toy minis. So it says toy mini brands. So who knows what this is?
Mm-hmm.
I'm assuming it's going to be similar to this without maybe the puns, but we'll see.
That's much easier to open than the dinosaurs were.
The dinosaurs you just smash.
Looks like this one's a smash also.
Yeah, it's just double sealed. I gotta find the other. There we are. The other piece to it. They really want to protect the mini stuff, don't they? Okay. Little rubber.
Huh. This one's like a little plastic orange.
But no chocolate. Alright, let's see. I'm gonna go. Let me do this one first. I got the mini princess.
Okay. We're going to have to get close up to this once we're done.
Itty bitty.
This is all itty bitty stuff.
These are. I got an itty bitty hacky sack.
Yeah, imagine trying to play with that thing.
Itty bitty hacky sack. Oh,
Is it slime? Oh.
no, I don't know what it is. It's a lot of little stuff. What in the world?
Maybe put it together to be a display stand? It comes with instructions, so.
Is that a grocery cart?
Actually, it might be. Here.
Yeah, it's a mini grocery cart.
That's you put your toys in it.
I can put all my grocery.
Yeah, you went to the mini grocery store.
I can put my puns in it.
What is it?
Do baby shark. I got a baby shark. And I have a video on that one I made too. I turned Cassie into baby shark.
Yeah.
The baby shark do song. Come on. It's a rugrat.
Oh, what?
Rugrats.
Cool. That's actually a Rugrat brand too, isn't it?
Yeah, that's the yeah.
Wow.
I got a rugrat. That's all of them.
So this was your haul. I'm going to zoom in just a little bit on this
This is so fun.
while you put that together.
Without instructions. Because, yeah, I don't do instructions.
Looks like you went to the mini grocery store.
Uh-huh.
And even got the toys because the kids wouldn't let you get away with them.
These are so cute. I might need to get a couple more of these. These are so cute.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, so yes, if you guys like these, please comment, like, share, let me know if I should get some more of these and do some more videos, because at least me, I was having fun with them, and you never know.
You love the
what
blind
you'll
boxes.
find. Well, because you never know what you'll find. And
Yep.
me, like I said, me as an artist, my brain just went when I saw these. Because, yeah. I had to.
We'll see you later.
Bye, guys.